Hi, I'm Andy with Pneumat Systems. We have some of the team assembled here to talk about how feed mills and feed integrators are using our new Dual Impact BinWhip to quickly clear hung up product from their bins and silos. So the Dual Impact BinWhip has been out for a few years now. How has it been working out in the field?
We're getting wonderful feedback from our customers. It's quote unquote being called the beast, mainly just with its abilities to hammer out that hard material that normally takes a little bit more time to remove.
So what are some of the problems specifically with feed mills?
Well, the biggest problem with feed mills is you've got some product that is susceptible to absorbing moisture, wheat midds, DDGs. And anytime they do that, they stick together and they cling to the side of the wall, and then they build up. They're losing their storage capacity. And then sometimes they lose everything because they can't get anything to go through it.
What is the Dual Impact BinWhip and why is it better than past solutions for feed mills?
Well, the Dual Impact works really well in a feed mill bin application because a lot of the ingredients they're using to make feed can be sticky and hard and really hard to get moving, where a Dual Impact head really is well suited to get into the problem, dig it out, and have the power to do it. And with the dual head, it tends to much better stay where you put it, so you can keep it on the problem area. It's not jumping around. It's also going to be able to better deal with any kind of ledges that might be formed as you're trying to knock this stuff out.
What's it like working with Pneumat as a feed mill on either the service side or buying one of our products?
I think one of the big differences there from anyone else in the industry is, first and foremost, our experience. We've worked with feed mills for many, many years. Through that whole time, we've been hand in hand with most of the feed mills in the United States. Our people understand the problems that occur in those mills. They know how to attack them. And if you make an investment in equipment, you're making an investment for 20 or 30 years potentially. It only makes good sense to buy the best technology available. This is it.
Sam, what should someone do if they're facing some challenges at their feed mill and want to learn more about our solutions?
Easiest way to solve your problems, click on the button below. Give us a call, send us an email, let us go to work for you. We'd love the opportunity.